Time.
Good. Oh, I need to put the money in.
You're mean, Kendra.
Is it already started?
Yeah. You're mean. That's where the air comes out. Kendra thinks we're gonna do this again. Nope, she's putting money in.
I'm putting money in. I think we're gonna do it again.
You're
ready?
Get inside.
Ready?
You're so mean.
That's not even air coming out. Okay.
This is a message from the emergency
Here comes everybody. And they're watching.
This one seems harder than the last one. Look at that! I'm gonna lose my ghost. No, videotape it from up here. That's because he can't see you. Yeah, you can. I can't open my eyes. Oh my God, Kendra, you're so mean.
Oh my god.
That's what a hurricane would be like.
Nobody's looking.
Good. Oh wow. Hey. Here's my messy hair. Kendra's messy hair.
And another
Okay,
people's
ready?
messy hair.
Say goodbye.